Yes, programming a transponder key for a 2003-2013 Cadillac CTS in an all-keys lost situation is possible DIY, but with caveats. Modern OBD2 tools like the Autel MaxiSys or Launch X431V Plus offer GM-specific modules to access the BCM and PCM, essential for key programming. However, success rates hover around 60 to 70% due to the complexity of bypassing the Vehicle Anti-Theft System, VATS. Key programming requires precise timing to avoid triggering an anti-theft lockout. This method involves requesting a security seed from the BCM, erasing old key data, and programming new transponder values. DIY is feasible for tech-savvy owners, but be prepared for potential challenges. The key steps for programming a transponder key in a 2003-2013 Cadillac CTS. Start with accessing security mode using your scan tool. You'll need the vehicle's VIN for authentication. Next, erase old keys from the BCM's EEPROM memory to clear previous data. Then program the new key by inserting the transponder into the ignition and turning it to the on position. Finally, test the key by cranking the engine to verify it works properly. Key risks include a no-start condition if programming fails, requiring a costly dealership reset. Incorrect programming can also lead to vehicle downtime. The process takes 30 to 60 minutes. So patience is crucial. Ensure your tool is compatible with your CTS year. Proceed with caution and consider professional help if unsure. Success depends on tool quality and user skill.